Pranams everyone, Namaste. Today we will learn how to do Samavritti Pranayama or box breathing. Popular in the West, everyone is now practicing this to increase the lung capacity. It has been shown to calm and relax the mind. It is shown to beat stress, reduce anger. Lot of benefits of box breathing or Samavritti Pranayama. Very simple. One can practice this every day to see the results. How do we do this pranayama? There are 4 parts to this. Inhalation, hold, exhalation and hold. In yogic terminology, Purak, breath going in, Kumbak or holding the breath in, Rechak, breathing out, and Kumbak or holding the breath out. So there are 4 parts to this pranayama, and for each part you will give it equal time. For example, if you are breathing in for 4 counts, you will hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and hold the breath out for 4 counts. This simple practice is called Samavritti Pranayama or box breathing. Although this particular technique is popular across the internet and this is how everyone practices, let me introduce one more way how you can deepen this practice. And let me also tell you how it will help. Now, generally when we practice this way and give it a count, you will observe that the breath is not smooth. That is, you are keeping a mental count of say 4. And as you breathe in and count 4 in your mind, 1, 2, 3, 4, the breath does not move smoothly from 1 to 4. It goes, there is a slight stop after 1 and after 2, after 3 and after 4. The breath does not move smoothly. To avoid this, we will use a very ancient yogic technique to bypass this so that the breath moves smoothly and you are also able to progress in this practice. So to do this, bring your awareness to the heart center and your final destination will be the crown center. What you are trying to do is very slowly take your awareness from the heart center to the crown of the head with inhalation. Maybe it goes in few seconds, or with practice you will observe that it slowly starts to reduce. So let your body take its own time. Maybe initially it might just go there in 2 seconds, which is okay. Take it up till the crown of the head and hold it there for as long as you comfortably can. When you are starting off, naturally one will be able to hold as much as one is able to breathe in. This is very logical. Or maybe 1 or 2 counts more, which is okay. Hold at the crown of the head, exhale and bring the awareness from the crown of the head to the heart center. Again, hold it here for as long as you can. Generally, this is equal to the same count that you have taken the breath out. And again, continue this practice. You will observe that with practice, naturally, the amount of time that you're taking to take the awareness from the heart center to the crown of the head is increasing. You are progressing from 3 to 4 to 5 to 6, but at your own pace. So this simple method helps not only to calm your nervous system and get all the benefits of Samavritti Pranayama or box breathing, but additionally you're also centering your mind. This is also an ancient Dharana technique to center your mind. And as you keep advancing in your practice, if you want to further intensify this practice and also make it meditative, as you're taking your awareness from the heart center to the crown of the head, mentally chant Om. Om. You reach the crown of the head. Hold the awareness at the crown of the head for as long as you comfortably can. And when you breathe out, again mentally chant Om and bring it till the heart center and hold the breath out. By incorporating the chant into this practice, it also becomes a dharana technique and a very ancient meditation technique to calm your mind, to center the mind, and also go within. So start very simply by working only on the breath, then build the awareness from the heart center to the crown of the head, and then if you feel ready and if you feel there is a calling for this practice, integrate Om and also make it your meditation technique. I hope you like the practice. This practice can be done by everyone. If you have very high blood pressure, ensure that you don't hold your breath for too long. Hold it only for half the amount of time that you breathe in or breathe out. This ensures that your blood pressure does not go up or drop down drastically. Please practice regularly to see the benefits of the practice. I hope you like this video. Thank you and namaste.